In this video, I will be showing you how to change chat background on Snapchat. Log into your account, go to chat box, tap a conversation, and then all you have to do is to scroll down and look for our chat. Now, as you can see here, when you click this one, it will take you directly to your camera roll and for us to change your wallpaper. So all you have to do is to tap and select any wallpaper here. Let's just say I selected a wallpaper already. So all I have to do is to tap the subscribe here. And then once you subscribe to this feature, then all you have to do is to tap done. Okay, so there are lots of chat wallpapers to choose from. All you have to do is to swipe to select and choose what wallpaper or background theme that you want to use for your Snapchat chat box. And then once you select it already, then you can go back and see if you already changed your background. Let's just say you already selected one here. So all you have to do is to go back to your chat box and see if this one works. But of course, to avail the change background and the theme, the wallpapers, you need to subscribe. You cannot change your chat background if you did not subscribe to this feature. Thank you for watching.